Hey and welcome back to the channel. I'm the Left-Handed Chef, and in this video we're making a 5-ingredient potato salad. Believe it or not, but this potato salad does not have any boiled eggs. This is a simple dish you can whip up in no time and a great side dish to have in your arsenal. Start by cutting 2 pounds of yellow potatoes and boil them in salted water until they're done. While the potatoes are boiling, grab a handful or around a cup's worth of thinly sliced green onions. Here I'm using 6 spears of kosher dill pickles. Any pickles you like will work for this recipe. Chop them up into smaller pieces. Next, grab a bunch of dill, remove any stems and roughly chop everything. Dill and potatoes are basically best friends. This will make the potato salad nice and colorful and add great flavor. If you have watched my previous recipes, you know I like dill a lot. Here comes the sauce. Add 2 cups of mayonnaise into a mixing bowl. Add everything to the bowl and mix it around. The reason I'm mixing this first without the potatoes is not to crush the potatoes. Season with salt and pepper. Once the potatoes have cooled down, add them back in and give it a final mix. Ideally you want to let this rest in the fridge for an hour or 2. The longer the better, as the green onions will mellow out and the potatoes will soak up all the flavor. For a nice presentation you can sprinkle some paprika powder and a twig of dill. And there you have it, a 5-ingredient potato salad. If you were inspired by this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and check out my other recipes.